Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner and sink. Also we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And if we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom here. You can see here bed arrangement and a study table with chair and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.